Assalamualaikum class. My name is Kinza Khalid and I am going to present crude birth rate and specific birth rate. Crude birth rate. A crude birth rate is a rough idea of total births within a year. Now discuss it. It is the ratio of total registered live birth during a calendar year to the total mid-year population during the same year and multiply by 1000. This is analog to the crude death rate. It is computed by formula crude birth rate is equal to total births divided by population multiplied by 1000. Total population means all men and women. CBR stands for crude birth rate. B denotes the total number of live births registered during the same year, and P denotes the mid-year total population during the same year. Now next is the difference between the crude birth rate and the crude death rate of natural increase of the population per year per 1000 people. इट्स मीन के अगर हम बर्थ में से डेथ्स को माइनस करें तो हमारे पास आ जाता है कि टोटल नेचुरल इंक्रीज़ क्या है. हमें पता चल जाता है कि पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज़ कर रही है कि डिक्रीज़ कर रही है. It is compared as crude rate of natural increase C.R.N.I is equal to birth minus death divided by mid-year population multiplied by 1000. So if the births are more than deaths, so addition are being made to the population, and if the deaths are more than births, so the people are being removed from the population. It's so simple. So the crude birth rate sometimes called the crude live birth rate. इस मीन के क्रूड रेट में हम वही बर्थ लेते हैं जो हमारे पास लाइव रजिस्टर्ड हैं, जो हमें पता है कि वो अब जिंदा हैं. टू डिस्टिंग्विश इट फ्रॉम द स्टिल बर्थ रेट विच इज़ कंप्यूटेड एज फॉलोज. स्टिल बर्थ रेट इज इक्वल टू बी एस divided by b multiplied by 1000. bs denotes the still births during any year and b denotes the total number of births. Next, a specific birth rate. While calculation crude birth rate, we have taken into consideration the total mid-year population, but the number of births depends upon the number of married women of childbearing age. Moreover, births are vary with the age of parents. That's mean के क्रूड जो होता है वो रफ होता है, रफ एस्टिमेट. जबकि एज स्पेसिफिक में हम देखते हैं कि हमारे पास कितनी वुमेन्स हैं जो इससे बेबी बेरिंग एज में हैं, और जैसे जैसे पेरेंट्स की एज भी बढ़ती है तो उनकी बेबी बेरिंग एज कम हो जाती है. A specific birth rate A.S.B.R are therefore generally computed for women by formula A.S.B.R is equal to BI divided by PIF multiplied 1000. A.S.B.R stand for A specific birth rate. BI denotes the number of births registered during the year of women of ith age group. BI denotes the mid-year population figure of women in the same age group. The example for crude birth rate is, if I use the 2005 calendar in which 1,80,000 live births registered and 1,23 lakhs estimated population in calendar year 2005 for state resident. Now we calculate crude birth rate by using B divided by P multiplied by 1000, and which is 1,80,000 divided by 1,23 lakhs multiplied by 1000 is, which is equal to 14.6 live births per 1000 state residents in 2005. Next example is for age specific birth rate, and we calculate it by BI divided by PIF multiplied by 1000, and I take the year 1971 to 1971 1981, 1991, 1993 and 1994. Total mid-year population in thousands are there, and female population from 15 to 44 years, and total births per year. Then we calculate A dot S dot B dot R in column, and that's all.